Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I'm back with another item that I'm doing for a craft fair that I'll be attending. Well, it's actually a farmer's market, but I'll have a booth there. I started off with one of these composition books, and these Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, wherever you find them, I think that the Dollar Tree ones are not quite as sturdy as these. These are sewn. They're sewn in. So I like the ones like this. I don't like the glued ones as much, or the stapled ones. I like the sewn. They're running around $1 right now, but I think when back to school time comes, you can get them much cheaper. They discount these a lot. So this is what I started off with. It has this little schedule in the front and all these little things for school in the back. So let me show you what I did with a few. This first one is a little fancier than some of the others because I wanted to do a gratitude journal. So on this one, not only did I just put the paper around the front, but I also had a coordinating piece that I wrapped all the way around and then put some coordinating strips here. Because underneath here, I wanted to put a ribbon. Let me see if I can get to the place where the ribbon is. So that someone could have a bookmarker in this one, since I intended it to be a gratitude journal. So you see the ribbon goes under, and then they can just mark whatever page they're on in their journal. Okay? On the inside of this, obviously, I covered this up because I didn't want it to say their class schedule. It's a gratitude journal. Here is a really pretty stamp from a stamp set that I will link below. And then this is just solid cardstock. And this is a collection. Unfortunately, this collection doesn't come out for a while, but I'll come back after May 1 and link to it. I got a sneak peek of Paper Pack, and I ended up using it, of course. And then every so often, I have stamped, highlights, thankful for. It's not very often, but a few places here and there. I've done some stamping. Well, let's see if I can find another place. Here's one. It says today, and I put a heart. Just that. This one says the details, and that one has a heart too. I know I stamped some leaves somewhere. Just so there'd be some interest here and there. I've also seen some people do, I think I'm going too fast here, but I've also seen some people do washi tape on the rim of the papers, just right here, piece of washi tape folded over, which can be really cute too. So when you're looking at it this way, it looks really pretty. And then here's the back. I just did the charcoal paper that matches, and then that's what the back looks like. Really simple to do. I put a little heart there just to put a little heart there. I don't know why. But anyway, so this ribbon will go down and hang out, and the person can find out where they are in the page. You want to see me do, I think I actually am going to film a video of me putting together the final one that I'm doing for this event. Okay, so there's that one. This one's for a, grade school tween girl. This is a really cute stamp set from Fun Stamper's Journey that I have. With all the hashtags and the TGIF and the little speech bubbles. I just really loved that. So I just used some polka dot paper that I've had in my stash forever and did that. And this is a die cut. And then there's some paper that went with the collection. The same collection, I think. And so then I just stamped these and cut them out. And I stamped the LOL and the TGIF and I stamped it on top there. And then I did put a little bit of washi here and a little bit of washi there just to make it look interesting. And on this one, I did not cover the insides because I figured it's a school-age child. And, if they're going to use this for one of their school ones that they have to get every year, they can absolutely use that. So there's that one. I don't know what I'm pricing these. So if anybody has any ideas, please leave them in the comments below because I have no idea. This was some paper that I found called Hey Mister. I found it at Tuesday Morning for like $2.99 for the whole pack that came with, and I've got a ton of it to do things with. I've done some other things with it that I'll probably show you later. But this is a strip that came on the end of one of the pieces, and this is a different paper. I left this black because I really thought it looked good with this, and it had this quote from Sinatra, "The best is yet to come." I thought that was cute. And then I just did black on the inside and another strip. Same thing on the back. And then I did a different coordinating piece on the back. But I thought, last time I took these little composition books I'd done, and people said to me, oh, if you did some masculine ones, And they especially wanted for their one lady for her grandson and boys. So I've done a few of those too. But here's the only masculine one I've done in this full size. So for an adult, I should say. I've done some for boys. And this is some Lego paper. Is it making your eyes hurt like it does mine? But I thought it was really cute. I did cover the inside of this one because I think this could be for a younger boy who's not even school age yet. But it says, this happened today. But, you know, it could be a doodle book for a younger boy. But that. And then on the back, just had this orange Lego paper. But these Lego papers, I bought just single papers. And what I did with this is the orange, and then I just cut a frame around it. And when I stamped this, on white, I just cut out and framed around them in black too. But this paper I bought in single sheets. I bought 2 sheets of it. Hobby Lobby. They were having their paper for $1. So I spent, I've used 2 sheets on this. So I spent 50 cents on paper and then did some stamping and then just the time involved in it. And like I said, this was $1. So the most of what I have in these is time. And some more than others. But I hate to price them individually because that gets a little confusing, but I guess I could. Okay, this one, my daughter gave me this paper. And this was a die cut, which I will try to link to that if I can find that die cut available anyplace still. But it said, "You've got game," which I thought was adorable. And it's a dinosaur with a game controller. Oh my gosh, too cute. And this one I left like that. And then on the back, I used a paper that came with this set. And it's just a stripe. And then this came with a set too that says "Game Over." So I thought that one turned out really cute. So if you have any ideas of what I should charge for these, let me know. I was thinking like $4 for them because, like I said, I don't want to go, oh, this one's $2 and this one's $5. And, even though some are more time consuming, obviously this one because I colored in each piece and obviously this one too. But I don't want to individually price them. I just want to put them together and have a price for these alter composition books. So let me know what you think. But I'm thinking $4 would be a great price. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and happy crafting.